Here we go. Brandon, 3 boxes of the all-new Panini Contenders draft. Let's get it, the new guys. Look at this. Awesome. They jumboed it out. Only 6 packs a box. Autograph in every pack. It's pretty awesome this way. All right. I forget where they put the auto. I think it's in the middle. I believe so. Yeah. All right. Elijah McGuire. He's a raging Cajun out of Louisiana. I forget what. Is it just Louisiana? University of Louisiana, I guess. Elijah McGuire. College ticket autograph. He got all these, all the inserts and whatnot. None of these are numbered, I don't believe. I'll ship these with, but none of these are numbered. Woo! If I see something that's a parallel, I'll pull that out and show it. Chris, 120. We'll do 120 on it. Do. And Chris Carson out of OSU. Chris Carson, college ticket out of OSU. Louisiana Lafayette, is that what it is? Y'all would know. Chris Wormley, college ticket out of Michigan. I love that they jumboed this, man. Makes breaking it so much better. Billy Brown, college ticket. Where's he out of? Where in the heck did he go to school? I have no clue. It doesn't say. It does not say where he went to school. Oh, yeah, but they're easy to see. I'm looking at every base card. They're super easy to see any parallels for base. Evan Ingram, college ticket. Out of Ole Miss. Obi Melifonwu, college ticket out of UConn. There's your first 6. D.D. Westbrook. Oh, nice. Dude, 7 of 15 playoff ticket. Westbrook out of Oklahoma. Pretty solid one, I think, there. Numbered to 15, 1-5. Nice hit. T.J. Watt, college ticket out of Wisconsin. Matthew Days, college ticket. They do look very much like JJ's autograph. Maybe they take turns who has to sign the autos. Adoree Jackson out of USC, 12 of 99 bowl ticket. Bowl ticket. Dang, this one had 2 parallel tickets in it. At least. Travin Doral, college ticket. Cameron Sutton out of Tennessee, college ticket. Box 2, that was even better than box 1. Let's see if box 3 can keep the trend going upwards. Malachi Dupre, college ticket out of LSU. Gerald Everett. Where's he at? South Alabama. Jaguars. Gerald Everett. Number to 99, bowl ticket of Paxton Lynch. I'll throw that out here since it's a number. Fabian Moreau out of UCLA. Fabian Moreau. Josh Malone. Hey, look at that. He put Josh. Let's make a space Malone. College ticket out of Tennessee. Chris Carson out of OSU. Dang, number to 99. Bowl ticket. Yep, 120 a box on it. 120, and then anyone wants a personal, what I'll do is we'll break ice next, and then we'll sneak in whatever personals we have purchased at that point between the next two. Dan Feeney, college ticket. To finish off box 3. Brandon, there you have it, brother.